Okay, history. Ano ang past, present, and future ng kumpanya na ginagaya ang business model ni Livegood? Una, si Costco. Kung titingnan natin ano ang past ni Costco, ni Amazon, ni SNR, and of course, Livegood. Okay, ano ang past ni Costco? Nagsimula si Costco, anong year po yan? 1979. They hit the 1 million members of Costco in 9 years. Ano ang present ni Costco? After 40 years, they have 129 million club shopping members. Magbabayad at $60 a year, pinakamababa. Ladies and gentlemen, that's $7.74 billion or 433 billion pesos income ni Costco for subscription pa lang. Nag-compute kami 3 years from now, ano ang magiging future ni Costco? Maybe estimated 145 million club shopping members. We are talking about 2024 and 2029. No, this is 5 years. Okay. Future ni Costco will be around $8.7 billion. Membership fee pa lang in just 1 year. Okay. Now, ang tanong, ang club membership na business model, proven and tested na ba? Yes or yes?
Yes.
40 years na si Costco. And take note, walang kitaan ang members dyan.
Correct.
Okay. Now, next, Amazon. Si Amazon nagsimula, no? 1994, they hit the 1 million members in 3 years. And then, present, nasa 200 million club shopping members si Amazon, 30 years, no? Sa industry nila. 27.8 billion, that's per year. I'm talking about those who pay ng per year. Pero kung maraming nagbabayad yan ng per month, tiba-tiba si Amazon kasi is $14.99 per month.
Yes.
Okay, ano ang magiging future ni Amazon? Yan, estimated mga 5 years from now, 233 million ang club shopping members. Ang annual revenue for the membership will be around $32.3 billion or 1.8 trillion pesos club membership income pa lang ni Amazon. Tanong, ang club membership fee ba or subscription industry proven and tested ba? Yes or yes?
Yes.
Amazon 40 years. No, Amazon 30 years. Costco 40 years. Tama ko? Yes or yes?
Yes.
Okay. What about SNR? Ito, local. No? Sister company ni Costco. They started 2006. Nahit ang 1 million members after 8 years. Present, nasa 2 million club shopping members ni SNR. 18 years. No? 18 years na si SNR. Magbabayad 700 pesos per year. That's 1.4 billion, no? Ang membership income pa lang ni SNR, no? Now, future, ni SNR, eto. Ayan. Okay. Nasaan yun?
Balik.
Ayan na, basahin na natin.
Okay na, diretso na.
Okay. Livegood started December of 2022. Tama po ba? Yes or yes?
Yes.
Eto, we hit the 1 million global members. 1 year and 1 month. Ang hina na palang pakyo! Within 1 year, ang Livegood nakapag-payout ng $15 million. Ladies and gentlemen, that's 2.7 billion 1 year payout. Present, no? 1 million global members, 2024, 13 months. Ito average payout natin every week, it's $1 million per week. Okay. And guys, in less than a year, somebody is earning already $90,000 to $100,000 a month sa Livegood. Take note, less than 1 year yan. Partida pa yan. One account policy.
Tama.
Yung ibang kumpanya, yung ibang kumpanya, 7, 15, 31, 60 plus, wala na plus. May alam ako, kumikita din yung ganun. Pero I talk to them 12 to 15 years bago kumita ang ganun kalaki. With almost 100 plus accounts. Ladies and gentlemen, Livegood, less than a year, may kumikita na gano'n! Okay, what is our future? Ito, estimated 3 years from now, kaya sakto yung topic ni Coach Fernand kanina eh. We will be around 7.5 million global members of Livegood 3 years from now.
Yes.
Our payout will be around 7 million per week or 400 million pesos per week. 3 years from now. Really? And 3 years from now, itong mga tao na to 3 years from now, they will be earning $700,000 a month. That's 39 to 40 million a month. 3 years from now. Kung sila nag 39 to 40 million a month, ang ilalim niyan may kumikita 30 million a month, 25 million a month, 20 million a month, 15 million a month, 10 million a month. Kaya in 3 to 5 years from now, ordinary income ng taga-Livegood will be 500,000 to 1 million. 1 million. Kung nagtutula ka pa, mag-quit ka na!
Go, go!
No, happy anniversary! Livegood